Oh, hal pitri solar.
Nadunay khai thích con.
Bây là con xoay ngà cái dia pakai sengil di situ.
Ili mem yor aim gini con me. Pai upon kelas tenu chong. Tangga college stage nem yo.
Lihat media stage nem le tangga wikon bukan. Itu.
Jadi kasi yang kayak bisa aing modal.
Oh, bisa.
Pinai warna ai bam sin ai ta papacho. Families to that means. Right. For it.
Ông như nem, vụ coi như khmat đó, vụ thế tàu tràn bò rừng khlev.
Bey, passa, your first division ah.
Con, pasok ka.
Oh, bey.
Congratulations con.
Thank you, bey.
Tagasngi ladon ang ni ako Kolkata ang ni office ng National Green Tribunal nga nagaliang ng akong president ng Jaintia Student Union Central Body idon lang education secretary ng ni Bochi Rupaksnam idon lang ng assistant finance ng ni mat salan demi patwet yang lain hadu ako Kolkata ban file ka case persya yang Sri Siman nagbenta ka to propose mining limestone haga jaka ba aspakat nyaw mitar gajinghe nila yo in aduk di por baladam bakila kondok ya ka illegal hearing nila banong ka tulisngi nila siang si adu kata-kata nagaliang jong deseng ni klep ngim sam jong klikti mas ndep kutuga public hearing ka bom sam khat ka ba khangla igi bruna do presnong ilaka nong kli iseng bahalang ban lek simenta ha ka public hearing aga sngi mabot nagaliang jong ka Jaintia Student Union nila lek bo aga FIR how SP jong ki is Jaintia Hills aga jogo por ngila tho ga complain sa Ministry of Human Rights Commission ngila boro ga complain sa SIA State Environment Impact Assessment Authority ipa copy sa Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Central Pollution Control Board, SP is Jaintia DC patiway-way ga baday kapay alor ga ne ga benta adin baga jingbo sngi jongi ikisipaw sngi ga deadline ni ga sorkar ban jubab lani ban squash ga taga public area niyo iban galiang ga sorkar pat galiang to ga FIR bangi file ro kimsam patio satya tagim ban sepat ban ya de ga wait pat kalenti kata kalenti ban lai sepo ban lai tit doar hapo kami jong ga National Green Tribunal kabadon ang nepo Kolkata Eastern Zone Bench te ajing ide bat gijing file jongi iga petition jongi mentagas ni ila submit ro ya pen drive igi videos lembaga electronic media kenang ba timdon gi evidence ban pausa ba tribunal kala ban yo i bajia ground reality ha to gasngi ni kum kaseng ila kular hi ba insaya da ki legal process hadu mentang ila don ang ni ila wan po NGT ingai scam bagai NGT kan le ka badon kam ban ai kata ga hok jongi namar ngile osnyo batang do kut himenta kabala ban ai ga rai lani ban ai ga hok jong pai ba jong ga ilaka no kli ban pai ba i jong ga Jaintia boro ga we asgo we ga benta agi jingi dei bat jing ya jong i menta ga sni ila bo i jingger par dunia ga kitin parang la on we have put our prayers with the NGT barangkong hingi kuat ban squash juga illegal public hearing public hearing ka bapalong ang sa pon brew minute ba sem ailat igi brew bakin lek ya simenta ka dei illegal public hearing jong ga sarkar bat kita gi mafia nilayo i ga jingti yo surok ag PWD bakim ailat yo pai ba jing do jing trai lang jong ga police department bat ki mafia ila siasi hadu kata-kata gini gikang gi baga Sri Semen ka hire ila kawang mau ni watu driver jongi laman sau jor wat kali jongi ke ambulans ro kila penjat aga to gesngi ngasasi ban ong ye ba adu menta jing penjat ke ambulans ni kalong ke jing do no ye ka thain jongi ibriu man ga por nadu ba ke ambulans jongi landon hapo umpuleng outpost ki phone yang nga ki phone ki member jongi bani kersan ki breu beduk ki bedon ha jing duna kam tam ban hakit ki breu besitom ki wait wan ki wait pan ringa sengsi ban pentim ham ta ambulan jongi kala jat ini ke bangin ke yang keseng melak ban pediang setia melak ban pediang dalai ro em skawai ke bentaro la di mana po NGT ba itu ke mining ke beriong tang ars pak katnyo kategori yang sisa ke dai bang don hado drus pak tam hektar kene ke dai ke buj sianti jong ke sorkar bat ke Shri Simen aga jing sisa la dai ban categorize kan kategori A penban ki supia ya ban ki blok A blok B blok C tang ars pak katnyo hektar kene ke pen I ba kila ki kuak ban lek na kita ki kondon jong ke central committee kini ke pausai ke don ke air seldat ini dai ke sorkar bat ke Shri Simen ni nakaliang keseng ni penrem jur yo home minister Preston Tensong agatu ke por baga first public hearing ula akram sai lepa ba ailat ni tagi protester ni ke supporter ban le yesimenta ha ke public hearing penban ke dai tang ke stin ba Ukraine mau ubah ke home minister home ministry mau ubah pa ke pulit ban khanglat yang ni kini bagi melak man pediang dalai ro em ni condemn ro yo chief yo CM joga JSDC ubadi lilam kita gi jaka jongi sakini gi bar jela yo POI ban ngitip bagi don hado nyo perangut kita jaka gi melasa kini jubor agi jing wan joga ni gi Shri Simen dan kata ka daw ni manse ban wan hado ni pok kal kata ngai scam bagai bangi pan naga NGT baga NGT kan bisa rock yang ni kenapa dalam kejinggur ku mat yo ika hop jong upai ba naga liang keseng ni condemn ro yo chief minister Konrad Sangma kat chief minister ro yo iba Kim Seong Thu ba upai ba open job ki ha to suki penban ki operas ni ki thombor ma ki ngi upai ba ngai scam ba kejing wan jong ni kan long ka jam bagi naga liang keseng ila approach ke legal ways ba nginam sange tanghang ni nang ni sekemat insawat kilat lenti agar legal term wat lagi no bentaro nginom chong klikti nagal yang keseng bat ngi boro jingger bat ya ga NGT bahkan le ga baron kam bat ngimla su ban klet ro ya blai bla yalam lenti ngi ban boy hadu ang ne tang kita hai kentin blai.
Today from the Jaintia Students Union, we today alongside our President Jasom Shila, Assistant Finance Secretary Wansalandami Putwet, and ID Education Secretary Bochurimi Posnam have officially filed our original application before the NGT Eastern Zone Kolkata. We have laid out our facts before the tribunal and before the court, and we are awaiting the tribunal's decision. We took this necessary legal step because the system has failed our people. On 12th of August, our 10-day ultimatum has ended, and yet to date, absolutely no action has been taken regarding the formal complaints we have filed before the state machinery. We are bringing this fight to the tribunal to point out a clear and devastating double standard of the state machinery. When the NGT banned coal mining to protect the environment, it stripped off the daily livelihood of our people from Jaintia Hills. If local citizens had to make such a massive sacrifice for the environmental benefit, then the tribunal must ban the proposed mining operation by Shri Simen Company. Allowing this project to go forward will devastate our local environment and severely hamper the lives of countless families and our community. The prayers that we have said today before the tribunal are that we request the tribunal to squash the public hearing, which was held on July 31st this year. It should declare null and void because of the violent exclusion of the legitimate stakeholders. We also filed regarding a mandatory digital aerial survey by an independent central committee using drone and satellite imagery for the mining lease, which are alongside all the ecological ecosystems of the area like Walitin River, Schnauden Cave networks, etc. Also, we demand the appraisal of the jurisdiction to the central, which is the Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change in New Delhi, and they should recategorize the project as Category A, preventing the proponent by bypassing the environmental scrutinies. We also request the tribunal to exercise court-assisted procurement of electronic records to ensure crucial digital evidence from third-party media so that it is formally recognized. We also pray that an interim stay of any environmental clearances or any proceedings which have been granted to the corporations. We also request that the Shnongrim Nongkhle Karas region to be declared as an eco-sensitive zone, permanently prohibiting open cast mining and blasting in the area within the radius of the EIAs. Also today, we have come to the tribunal not only empty-handed. Today we have submitted physical evidence via pen drive, and also we have given digital media, crucial digital media, records that capture the violent reality of what occurred on the grounds on July 31st. We have submitted video evidence condemning the government for preventing citizens attending the public hearing, and also for filing FIRs. We have provided footage of demonstrating the state prioritizing corporate interests and forcing public hearings amid severe protests. We also submit a tragic video documenting a pregnant woman which was forced to deliver a baby which at Daistong after the road being destroyed by supporters of the Shri Cement Limited. We also provide proof of late night mob attack regarding JSU emergency vehicle ambulance and its medical team during a rescue mission. We have also submitted video evidence showing how supporters illegally dug up a PWD road and the pelting of stones deliberately blocking peaceful protesters reaching despite police presence. The law meant to protect our land cannot be applied selectively. We trust the tribunal will recognize the truth of these events and deliver a just decision. We will not back down, and we will continue this fight until the world sees what is happening to our land and the people, until the people are protected.